today I'll be showing you the PowerMaster 760 BB gun, which can also shoot pellets. This is one of the earlier first two variants called the PowerMaster. It has all metal and real wood. There are 8 variants, I believe, of this BB gun. This is one of the earliest two. They still make these. They call them the PumpMaster 760. That's a piece of junk. It's mostly plastic with a little junky metal barrel. I think it weighs half as much as this one at least. I got mine for $4 at a resale store. The whole barrel is covered in rust, as well as the pressure chamber down here. Sanded it down, re-blued it, looks like new. It's got a brass bolt with a magnet in it. I'll be using Daisy premium zinc coated steel BBs. Take them, you press down this little door here, pour them in, turn the BB gun. There's this little switch here. You want to pull that back, turn it upside down, and shake it. BBs will load into this top chamber. Then, pull the bolt back. It'll load a BB, because it's got that magnet. Got a target set up over here. A little bit out of focus there. We'll need to pump it between 5 and 6 times at least. I always pump it a few extra. Looks like a 1-inch grouping from 30 feet. Not too bad for a unrifled barrel. If you ever have a chance to pick up one of these older, well-made versions of it, get it. I don't suggest getting the piece of junk they sell in the stores today. Take a better look at the target. Whoop. Camera's getting away from me there. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Looks like nothing outside of the third ring. It's pretty accurate. And that's the Crosman PowerMaster 760.